What's up guys, it's the M. Dawson Project, back here today with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing the Vinci Mod Pod by Vinci. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is the front of the box. It just kind of says Vinci Mod Pod, and then activate inhaling with big cloud, and then kind of gives you some more information and shows you the colorway right there. And then on the back, just get a little bit more information. Gotta figure out how to, just slides off like that. So move that. In here, you get a little card, kind of just explaining your direct lung or mouth to lung hit, and then each coil. So it gives you some information right there. And then here's the two coils themselves, right here and right here. And then you get the device itself. Then you get the device right here. And then I got this colorway because I liked it the best. The two little sides. On the back here is Vinci. Underneath you get your micro USB for charging. And then let's see if it has any power. So there it is, started up. Gives you a little screen. And I think that's it for, or nope, there's a little bit more in the box. And inside the box is another little box, which I think has your charger and a manual. Let's see, let's get that open. For all these, oh, it's not a vape product if it doesn't have silica gel. And then you get your manual right here. We're not gonna look at that. You get a warranty card, and then a genie, however you wanna pronounce that, right there. And then you get your charging cable. So that is it for what comes in the box. We're gonna go ahead, get it set up real quick, and back out. Okay guys, we're backed out. We got juice and a coil in here. Right now I got the 0.6 because I messed up pretty bad and burnt out the other one. So this thing only goes to 12 to 18 watts for what the coil is rated as. But right now it's hitting pretty nice. And that's on 12 watts. So I gotta say, like, first impressions though, I like it. I do like this screen, and it apparently, I found out the coil broke, is it has a function to where either you can press the button or have it only press the button to hit, or you can do the breathe in, like it's set on the front of the box. But this is the Vinci Pod Mod. I may do a review in a week or so to give more thoughts. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.